So greetings to everyone. To slow down or speed up the video, first we need to add the video itself by clicking the button on the left and adding the video we need. Next we click on the blue plus sign and a menu opens on the right. There, we look for the button Speed, which means speed in English, and it opens actually a panel where we can change the speed of the video. You can set the video to be very fast and it will finish very quickly. You can set it to be very slow and you will see every movement, every frame. There is also a tab called Duration. This is where we directly enter how long we want the video to last. That is, for example, if we want the video to last exactly 5 seconds, but it currently lasts 6 seconds, we simply enter 5 seconds there, and the program automatically selects the speed at which the video will last that amount of time. I hope this video was useful for you.